Volkswagen presented the bounced-up Passat GT Friday before the Detroit Automobile Expo. The constrained-run VW vehicle gets more than 20 energetic inside and outside improvements, the most imperative of which is the organization's 3.6-liter V6 making 280 horsepower and 258 pounds-to-foot of torque. It will be offered in 4 hues: unadulterated white, reflex silver, platinum dark and profound dark. Like the Atlas SUV, the Passat GT was outlined at VW's Engineering and Planning Center in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and will be worked at the production line. The new GT accompanies standard LED headlights and daytime running lights, VW's more pleasant-looking R-line guard with a honeycomb grille, GT identification and a red emphasized line like the Golf GTI. In back, the GT gets a dark spoiler, dim taillights and double fumes. It gets a considerable measure of R-line pieces, however it won't supplant the R-line in the lineup, says VW. Two-tone, 19-inch Tornado Haggles brake calipers fill the wheel wells, and a game suspension conveys a superior position. Inside, there's a bundle of piano dark and carbon fiber complements, and also dark and dim seats with differentiating sewing. A calfskin-wrapped directing wheel, 8-way control driver's seat, warm front seats, double-zone atmosphere control and warm side mirrors are standard. It likewise accompanies VW's composition media infotainment setup with a 6.3-inch screen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 2 USB ports and satellite radio. Concerning the VR6 motor, top power comes at 6,200 revolutions per minute and pinnacle torque comes at 2,500. A 6-speed double-grasp transmission with paddle shifters is standard. Mileage is evaluated at 19 city and 28 throughway. We first observed the Passat GT as an idea at the Los Angeles Auto Show in 2016, looking about generation prepared, so this introduction isn't an amazement. The main thing that is a bit of astounding is that anybody is adding more vehicle varieties to the lineup, thinking about the way hybrids and SUVs are drifting. In any case, we'll never grumble about somewhat more game in our cars, and that VR6 motor has been a prime-time entertainer for a considerable length of time. The Passat GT goes on special in the second quarter of 2018 beginning at $29,940 including gold. We'll get a look face-to-face at the Detroit Car Expo 1 week from now, and ideally a drive in the following couple of months.